In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an invoice in Go High Level. If you want to try Go High Level for yourself, check the link in the description to get a free 14-day trial. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and have selected the correct sub-account or location. Once you're in the right place, look to the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see the Payments section. Click on it, and then go to the Invoices tab. This is where all your invoice activity takes place, including drafts, sent invoices, and completed payments. Next, click the New button at the top right to open the Invoice Builder screen. This page is where you'll enter all the details for your invoice, including your business, your customer, the products or services you're charging for, and how often the invoice should be sent if it's recurring. At the top left, you'll see business information and customer information. Your business details, such as name and website, should already be filled in, but you can edit them by clicking the small pencil icon if needed. In the Customer section, choose an existing contact from the drop-down. If the customer isn't in your contacts yet, you'll need to create them before you can continue. Once selected, their name and email will automatically populate the invoice. Below that is the Add Product section, where you list each item or service as a line item. You can either choose from your existing product catalog or type in the details manually. Enter the price, quantity, and, if necessary, tax. You can click Add Tax to select a saved rate or enter a custom amount. If you want tax applied automatically to every item, toggle the switch labeled Enable Tax Automatically. There's also a description box for each line item, which you can use to explain the product or service in more detail. You can even format the text with bold, italics, or underline for clarity. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your invoice. As you add items, taxes, and discounts, this preview updates in real time to show exactly how your customer will see it. This includes your business name, contact information, and a clear breakdown of each line item with quantity, price, and subtotal. Below the product table, the subtotal section shows the total before taxes or discounts. If you want to apply a discount, click Add Discount and enter a percentage or flat dollar amount. You can also apply tax across the entire invoice here if you didn't do it per item. The Amount Due field updates automatically based on all items, taxes, and discounts, so always double-check it to make sure it matches what you intend to charge. At the bottom of the page, you'll find Recurring Invoice Settings. This is useful if you want the invoice sent regularly, like weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the frequency from the drop-down and set a start date, and if needed, an end date. For instance, if you want the invoice sent on the 1st of every month for 6 months, you would set those dates accordingly. At the top right corner, you'll see the Save and Schedule buttons. Save will keep your invoice as a draft, while Schedule will send it immediately or according to your recurring schedule. When you click Schedule, a window pops up confirming the details and showing a preview of the email your customer will receive, including a link to view and pay the invoice online. If everything looks good, confirm, and Go High Level handles the rest. Your customer will receive the invoice and can pay online if you have a payment method like Stripe connected. This invoice builder is a powerful tool that helps you stay organized and get paid faster. It integrates directly with your CRM so you don't have to switch between platforms, and it creates a clean, professional-looking invoice that your clients will appreciate. Go High Level makes sending and managing invoices straightforward, saving time and reducing errors. If you want to streamline your billing process and see how Go High Level can help your business, use the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial.